Hi, I'm Eilish, a first-year PhD student at the University of Leeds, exploring boron isotopes as a tracer for the volatile sources under Kozelsky and Khangar volcanoes in Kamchatka. Kamchatka is located in the northwest of the Pacific Ring of Fire and is one of the most active volcanic arcs on Earth, with almost 30 historically erupting volcanoes along the volcanic front. Boron isotopes and concentrations are strongly affected by different sources, making them a unique tracer for source contribution. The diagrams show how boron contents and isotopic compositions vary dramatically across the subduction cycle. Boron generally acts as a highly fluid, mobile trace element and can be employed as a tracer of slab-derived fluids in the mantle wedge. Boron is depleted in the mantle but strongly enriched and isotopically fractionated in subduction sediments, altered oceanic crust, and the serpentinized mantle. Thus, the material entering the trench has very high boron concentrations and a heavy boron isotopic ratio compared to the depleted mantle. The heavy isotopes of boron are partitioned into the fluid phase during dehydration of slab assemblage, and because of the large isotopic contrast to the mantle, it only takes a small amount of material to exert a strong influence over the mantle's boron concentration and isotopic compositions. Isotopic ratios vary across an arc to reflect the variable influence of slab and crustal components on the volcanic products and processes. In the cross-arc profiles, we'd expect to see a decrease in the boron concentrations of arc lavas, with the increasing slab depth and decreasing amount of slab-derived fluid. The across-arc segment shown here in red, with the selected volcanoes, will sample fluids derived from the slab depths as little as 50 km at Kozelsky to 350 km at Khangar. We will use primitive melt inclusions to study boron contents and volatiles to assess local and regional mantle heterogeneity and magma mixing processes. We have identified olivine-rich lavas in both of the selected volcanoes and aim to build on this sample database through a field campaign this summer.